All right, hey guys, my name is Steve and this is Wilmer Woodworks. Today we have to talk about security. So we have that Pontiac build, and it is just, that Pontiac is just sitting out in the yard along with my sheds and my tools and everything else. So I need a way to protect that. That's why I was so happy when this company reached out to me. They are Camstro. Now this cam is nice because it is Wi-Fi. So I can just, even though it's in my yard, I can connect it to my Wi-Fi, and it has a solar panel. So it is battery operated and should allow me to have the sense of security that I need by having all my tools and everything out there. I mean, it isn't a fence, but really fences and locks just keep honest people out, right? So let's see what we've got in here. So we've got some instructions, got our little stickers, got our solar panel. I love solar panels. I have that solar panel on the shed. It's actually, I call it my solar shed. Camera, awesome. What is this? This just clips on there. USB, USB-C. Nicely packaged. I like that this has a decent mount. Let's see what we got here. Power. All right, so I need to get my phone. Okay, so let's download the app. Scan the QR code on the body. Man, that was too easy.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red. Connecting. Please wait a moment. Put camera and phone at the place of camera installation.
Oh man, that's pretty slick. All right, now that this is paired, we are going to attach it outside. We're going to give it some tests, and we will see what we can come up with.
A few moments later.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, that's the quick install, and now I can actually monitor my sheds and my my car project, and hopefully get some video footage during the process. Till next time, guys, my name's Steve. Thanks for watching.